At 10, two people who used to be in love met up in court today to find out they may spend the rest of their lives in prison.
They got the maximum sentences for the 2017 murder of Telma Boinville on Oahu's North Shore. The judge gave Stephen Brown consecutive sentences for murder, kidnapping, and burglary. So even if he's paroled for the killing, he'll then have to serve two more 20-year terms.
And Haley Danduran got 2 life terms because her jury gave her a stricter penalty for the kidnapping of Boinville's child. And then even if she makes parole on both those terms, she'll face another 20 years. But as our Ben Gutierrez reports tonight, the word parole just doesn't feel right to the victim's family. Ben?
Telma Boinville's family didn't hold back when they were given the opportunity to speak in court, and they expressed their frustration with how long it took to get the convictions and the sentencing.
They want to now ask for parole, for a second chance at life. Is this a joke?
6 years after Kevin Emery lost his wife, Telma Boinville, the homeless man and woman convicted of her murder were sentenced to life in prison with a chance for parole. A parole board will eventually decide when 29-year-old Stephen Brown and 26-year-old Haley Danduran will be set free.
I want to ask for a second chance to be a husband. Can I ask for a second chance for my wife to be a mother to her daughter? Can I ask for a second chance for Makana to have the comfort of her mother?
Boinville's daughter Makana was 8 years old when the killers tied her up in the same vacation home where they had killed her mom.
The defendants could have left the premises, but instead chose to beat her with multiple objects, knives, a machete, and even a meat tenderizer.
Hours after the killing, the Boinville family posted an alert on social media. Later that night, Brown and Danduran were confronted by an angry mob at Mililani Shopping Center and then arrested. After numerous court delays, Makana is now 14, and her father says she's still dealing with the trauma.
She has cried on countless occasions asking for her mommy. We didn't deserve this. We didn't deserve to have to suffer for 6 years through the justice system and all the trials and extensions and delays and all the different ways they have manipulated the system.
Neither Brown nor Danduran spoke in court today or offered an apology, but Brown's adoptive parents asked for mercy via Zoom, explaining that he was a foster child.
What we know about Stephen is he had had a very difficult childhood, and I know nobody really wants to put that into account, but I think it should be.
The judge was not swayed and imposed the maximum penalties under the law. It still wasn't enough for Boinville's family.
Makana deserves these two to spend the rest of their lives locked in a jail cell.
How you treat others is how you get treated. What you do is what you get back. There should be no parole. Maximum.
Justice would be the exact same treatment Thelma received, or allowing our community to be the jury.
Now, the case may not be over just yet. Stephen Brown's attorney told the court near the end of the hearing that Brown intends to appeal. Ben Gutierrez, Hawaii News Now.